Okay, welcome back, like school students. This is question number 5 on the speaking for the official guide to new TOEFL iBT from ETS. Okay, this question is another campus situation question. However, this is different than question number 3. Question number 5 only has the listening. Okay, so you need to listen to the conversation, and one student actually has a problem, and the other student actually makes 2 to 3 suggestions. And based on the suggestions, you need to choose which one would be better and provide the reasons why that is the case. Okay, let's go over the question. Here we go. All right, the question is, the students discussed 2 possible solutions to the woman's problem. Describe the problem and then state which of the 2 solutions you prefer and explain why. Okay, so let's go over that. Okay, it is the woman who is having the problem. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, she currently has too many things to do and can't concentrate to have them done. Okay, so she lists out some of the things that she needs to complete. Okay, which are a paper to write, 2 exams to study, and math problems to solve within given time. Okay, and for that, the man actually suggests 2 possible solutions for that. Okay, first of all, he suggests her to talk to the professor. Okay, not just go and have a regular conversation, but he's actually asking her to go and ask for an extension, since she is having a hard time completing this task within a given time. Okay, so asking for the extension on the paper or math assignment, and by doing so, she can probably have more time to work on it. Okay, and after listening to the man's suggestion, woman gives a response to this and states that if she gets more time, then she can actually use this time to prepare for exams. Okay, which is better for her, right? Okay, and if that is not the case, he actually suggests the second solution for this. Okay, he's asking her to make a schedule. Okay, so she can plan ahead. Okay, so she can make a chart that shows days and times, and so this will be more. She can actually spend her time more efficiently, and by doing so, this would help her to focus her energy into one thing at a time, instead of doing many things and worry about other things to do, and thus she'll be less tired. Okay, for this question, when you are answering it, you need to first list what her problem is, right? So for this, you probably want to list her problem. She has too many things to do, and you want to probably list some of the things that she needs to complete, and 2 suggestions that the man make. Okay, one is talking to the professor and asking for the extension, and making a schedule, like a chart that actually shows days and times, so she can actually use the time more efficiently. However, you have to actually don't mention the woman's response up until you provide which solution would be better. Okay, you first need to choose whether suggestion 1 will be better or suggestion 2 will be better. Okay, and based on that, you will probably use the woman's response in order to answer the question. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Okay, if I were to use the suggestion number 1, stating that the woman should talk to the professor and ask for the extension, you can probably say, just like what she has mentioned, by getting more time, she can prepare for the exams, and this will be better for her because she can. The ultimate goal as a student is to get a good score for the exam. Okay, and sometimes you can actually negate the second suggestions too. You can say that making a schedule is not necessarily a good idea. You can probably say, since she actually says she has too many things to do within that given time, and making a schedule might actually give 32 1 hour extra time, but it is not that efficient. Okay, but the point that I want to probably give you is that, for question number 5, you should not put your personal experience or personal detail question, in terms of answering this question. Okay, you need to based on, you need to answer the question based on the given information. Okay, so when you are generating your suggestion, choose only one or two, and supporting documents or information has to follow from what was covered in the conversation. Okay, so make sure to do so. Okay, so go over the notes that's provided with this problem, and then review this lecture once more, and then generate your own version of the answer for this question, and make sure to send it to your teacher and get some kind of revisions or evaluations done. Okay? All right, let's move on to question number 6.